This is RINIKE show. I am Akusue Misa Sewa. You are watching me live on YouTube channel Ashtown TV and our Facebook page Ashtown TV. Welcome to another episode. Today we are going to talk about 8 things that destroy marriage. 8 things that destroy marriage. Many marriages are collapsing, but let's look at these habits or traits so that if you have it in your relationship or your marriage, you will desist from it and have a long-lasting relationship. Number 1, disrespect. This is a situation whereby both parties doesn't respect each other. The man doesn't respect the woman doesn't respect the man for whatever reason. Maybe the man is not living up to expectation, or the woman is not living up to expectation, or there are some little things. It doesn't matter what it is. You should respect each other if you want your relationship to move on forever. Disrespecting each other breaks relationship. Number 2, not being open or transparent. As I always say, the little secrets you are trying to hide, or the little things that you are trying to hide, are going to emerge one day as ghosts to haunt you. So it's better you let your partner know the truth now. Tell him or her the truth, no matter what it takes. You are leading that person on with a lie, and then if that person comes to know of it one day, it's going to be a blast. But telling that person now, that person might cry, that person might threaten to leave you. Whatever it is, you have done your portion. So if that person comes to realize you telling him or her the truth when it was needed, that person will get a change of heart and forgive you. But hiding it, I tell you, my dear, it will come one day to haunt you, and it's going to destroy your marriage. So tell the truth now. Be transparent. It helps you. It makes you feel free. It makes you happy without any burdens on you. But if you keep it, I tell you, it's going to explode one day. Be transparent. Be open. Don't keep secrets. Number 3, unfaithfulness. Being on the part of the lady or the man destroys marriage. It breaks relationship. You have to be faithful to each other. Whatever that you see on the man outside that makes him look attractive to you, groom your husband to be like that. Whatever that you see on the woman outside that makes her attractive to you, groom your wife for her to look like that. Stop going after people's wives and husbands. Be content with what you have. Be faithful to your partner. Lack of communication. Now, with the help of the social media, communication in relationship or marriages are breaking. The husband is here, the wife is here. Each one will be on his or her phone. Instead of them communicating, no, they don't talk to each other. Even there are certain situations that the wife finds about her husband on his status, because she reads the husband's status, so she gets to know what the husband is thinking. The same thing goes for the wife. Instead of them telling each other of their sorrows and joys, discussing their future ahead, talking each day to know what is going on in each partner's life, no. It's all about phone or social media, YouTube, whatever. Because of that, they don't have time to converse. They don't have time to communicate, and it will affect your relationship. It will break it. Any relationship without communication breaks. It will destroy your marriage. So please stop it. Number 5, regular fights or quarrels. It won't happen that two people is going to stay and then you won't fight. You will fight, but know when to stop it, or know when to put an end to your fights or quarrels. Husband, say sorry to your wife. Wife, say sorry to your husband. Both of you shouldn't be strong-heads. Don't try to be hard on yourselves. Let it go. Let your anger come to an end. As the Bible says, don't let morning come on your anger. Stop it. Say sorry to your wife, husband. Wife, say sorry to your husband. Don't let the quarrel be in your relationship for long, because it is going to destroy it. Irresponsible attitudes, number 6. Irresponsible attitudes on both partners, whereby each of you is not living up to expectation. The wife is not doing her duties well. The husband is also not doing his duties. Irresponsible attitudes affect marriage. It breaks it. Whatever is expected of you, the wife, you have to do it. And whatever is expected of you, the husband, you have to do it. And even if your partner cannot do his responsibilities, and you have the capability to help him or her, help him or her. If it's about house chores and you, the husband, you feel like you are back from work, but your wife is not able to single-handedly prepare the evening meal and handle the kids at the same time, help her out. And you, the wife, if you think your husband's salary is not good enough for him only to pay the kids' school fees and pay electrical bills and so on and so forth, help him out. The Bible says we are going to be each other's what? Keeper. We have to help ourselves. Number 7, greediness. This is the situation whereby both of you are in the relationship for your own interest. You are all in for something. More from pen woman. You are busy looking out for what you can get in the relationship. When it happens like this, you end up forgetting about the thing that makes the relationship hold. You don't have time for yourself. It's all about what you can get out of the relationship. And it breaks relationship. It destroys marriages. Number 8, making excuses for sex. Both parties, this is the time that both parties end up making excuses. Today the lady say, I'm having a headache. Tomorrow the man will say, I'm having stomach ache. Like you don't get time for yourself. So your relationship starts breaking from little aspect of life. You say that it will end up on your sexual life. You don't have appetite for your man. Your man doesn't have appetite for you. So you see that you are what? Getting apart from each other. Montem ete. So it's also what? Destroys marriages. Making excuses for sex destroys marriages. Let's desist from it. These are the 8 things that destroys marriage. And marriage is a long-term relationship. We are not in it for us to come out just like that. No. We get into marriage for it to last. So let's try and desist from these behaviors so that our marriages can last. I am Akosua Misa Sewa. I am live on Ashtown TV, YouTube channel, and our Facebook page, GH Ashtown TV. Please help me wish my dad, Edu Buatin, a happy birthday. He's +1. So I'm saying on behalf of his daughters and sons, we are saying a very big happy birthday to him. We love you. Good night. Bye bye.